meeting? All right. So before going to first concept, why did you choose this testing? In market, we have number of courses like Java, Oracle, SAP, .NET, PHP, number of courses available. Why did you choose this testing? Is there any reason, sir? Murli, sir?
For me, everything is same for me, but I heard from few people that this is good and easy
Mm.
to learn for new people. That's what I learned. So I wanted to learn this.
Okay. Madam, why did you choose this testing, madam? In market, we have number of courses like Java, Oracle, SAP, .NET, PHP, number of courses available. So why did you choose
Yeah,
this testing?
it is very easy and no need to know about any programming language, depending on any programming language.
Mm.
And we have like more number of jobs. Like
Mm.
we have high scope getting good job.
Mm. Okay, right, great. I will tell you. So after this class completion or course completion, somebody will ask you like, why did you choose this testing? So we should tell proper answer. So that's the reason I'm asking this question. So why did you choose this testing? First point, scope of getting job is very high. First point, scope of getting job is very, very high. Scope of getting job is very high.
I
Why I'm saying scope of getting job is very high? For example, in Hyderabad city, we have 2000 companies. For example, each and every software company may not maintain Java people, SAP people, .NET people, PHP people. But each and every software company compulsory they will maintain test engineers. That means these 2000 companies compulsory they will recruit test engineers. This 2000 company wants testers. So scope of getting job is very very high, not only in Hyderabad, wherever you go. If it is software company, compulsory they will develop some projects or products. After developing the project or product according to customer expectation, each and every project, each and every application is properly working or not, we need to do testing. So that means that if it is software company, compulsory they will recruit test engineers. That means scope of getting job is very 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 high. Second point, no need to depend upon other technologies. No need to depend upon other technologies. Without knowing anything, we can learn these testing tools nowadays. BA, BCom people also, they are learning these testing tools. It's very easy to learn, and after course completion also easily we can keep the experience and we can manage our job very easy. That's the reason most of the people, non-IT background people, IT background people also, they are learning these testing tools. Wherever you go, every competition only on testing. Why? Because it's very easy to learn and it is a very cool job. No need to depend upon other technologies, no need to know any other technologies like C, C++, Java. Without knowing anything, we can learn these testing tools. It's very easy to learn, and after course completion we can keep the experience. After getting job also we can manage our job very easy, and it is a cool job. 90s 9 to 6 job, and daily updations not required. That's the reason most of the people nowadays they are choosing this testing. Non-IT background people, IT background people, all the people, mainly housewives, they are choosing this testing. Why? Because it's very easy to learn, and course completion also we can keep the experience. That's the reason most of the people they are choosing this testing. Third point, testing remains forever. Testing remains forever. Why I'm saying testing remains forever? If it is any project, they will choose three technologies. If they want to develop any project, they will choose three technologies. One is Java, second one is PHP, third one is .NET. If they want to develop any project, compulsory they will choose any of the technology. These technologies. While developing the application, developers will choose any of the technology, Java or PHP or .NET. So today, leading technology is Java. Today, leading technology is Java. Tomorrow, Kava will come. Tomorrow, Kava will come. Day after tomorrow, Mava will come. So if it is technology, if it is developed by any technology, if it is developed by any technology, compulsory we need to do testing. So testing remains forever. So each and every customer are having some own expectations. Can we reach that expectations are developed based on the customer requirements? Developers will develop the application. So after developing the application, this application is satisfying all the customer requirements or not, we need to test. So if it is developed by any technology, compulsory we need to do testing. So each and every software company wants testers. So each and every software company compulsory they will develop some projects or products. After developing the project, compulsory we need to do testing. So if it is developed by any technology, if it is Java or PHP or .NET, Java or Mava, whatever it is, compulsory we need to do testing. So that means testing remains forever. Fourth point, I want consistent life. I want consistent life. That's the reason I'm choosing this testing. I want consistent life. So that's the reason I'm choosing this testing. Scope of getting job is very high. No need to depend upon other technologies. Testing remains forever. I want consistent life. That's the reason I'm choosing this testing. All right. Once again, I will ask you a small question. What exactly we required? What exactly we required to get a job? If it is .NET or Java, PHP, whatever it is, what exactly we require to get a job? Tell me, sir, what exactly we require to get a job, sir?
Skills.
Kavya madam, what exactly we require to get a job? జాబ్ కావాలంటే మన దగ్గర ఏమి ఉండాలి?
Communication skills, confidence, stuff like in
First one is stuff. Stuff means subject. If it is testing, testing related subject. If it is .NET related subject. If it is SAP related subject. If it is Java related subject. So compulsory subject is very, very important. Okay, I will take care. I will teach you subject. No need to worry. Next one, communication. Communication also very, very important. So communication also we need communication. Okay, communication means not fluency, just if you know how to managing skills. If you should know only managing skills in the era of software testing or software field, just we should know how to manage, just not fluency. Okay, I have subject and communication, can I get the job? No, compulsory we should have confidence. Confidence is very, very, very important. If you have confidence, you can do anything. If you have less subject, we can manage. If you have less communication, you can manage. But if you have less confidence, we can't manage. Confidence is very, very important. Whenever you are facing the interview, that time they are totally concentrating on person capability. He can do or not, she can do or not, they are concentrating. So confidence is very, very, very important. Not only getting job, after getting job also we can face number of problematic situations. We need to face each and every problematic situation. So if you want to face each and every problematic situation, that time also confidence is very, very, very important. Not only getting job or not only doing job, if you want to do business, if you want to do any other work, confidence is very, very important. If you have confidence, you can get job anywhere in the world. If you don't have any confidence, you can't get any job in the anywhere in the world. So confidence is very, 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 very important. So stuff, communication, confidence, and fourth one, dynamism. Dynamism also very, very important whenever you are doing job in software company. Dynamism, what is dynamism? Dynamism means based on the situation, dynamically we should change. Based on the situation we should change. Like after course completion, for example, we are keeping 3 years experience and we are going to software company. So we should behave like that. 3 years experience ఉన్న పర్సన్ ఎలా బిహేవ్ చేస్తాడో అతనిలాగా బిహేవ్ చేయాలి. మీకు ఒక స్మాల్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ చెప్తాను. One of the girl, Shirisha, she did course in my institute only. Shirisha, she is from Kakinada. Actually, she did MCA. She did MCA. After MCA, she kept 3 years experience on degree. 3 సంవత్సరాల ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ డిగ్రీ పైన పెట్టుకున్నారు. జాబ్ కోసం ట్రై చేస్తున్నారు. Finally, she got job. Finally, she got job in MNC company with good package, like 6.6 lakhs package. So job వచ్చింది in India. So
Mhm.
actually she don't know anything, she don't have any IT experience, and she totally new to this that area, but she kept 3+ years experience. Finally she got job in 6.6 lakh package. So a fine day she went lunch with her team member. She went lunch with her team member. So that fellow, he asked, madam, how many years of experience do you have? How much you are getting? She said, sir, I have 3.6 years experience. I'm getting 6.6 lakhs package. So that fellow, he's working in the same company past 4 years. He is getting only 5 lakh package, and finally, next day, he went to project manager cabin and he raised doubt. Sir, I am working in the same company from 4 years. I'm getting only 5 lakh package. Why is she getting 6 lakh 6 package? So next day, that project manager called to Sirisha and madam, just you can apply for relieving, madam. So she applied for relieving. She lost job. Who did mistake? ఎవరు చేశారు తప్పు? ఆ అబ్బాయి చేశాడా, ప్రాజెక్ట్ మేనేజర్ చేశాడా, ఆ అమ్మాయి చేసిందా? ఎవరు తప్పు చేశారు? మురళి గారు, ఎవరు తప్పు చేశారు సార్ ఇందులో? అబ్బాయా, అమ్మాయా, ప్రాజెక్ట్ మేనేజరా? కావే మేడం, ఎవరు తప్పు చేశారు మేడం?
అబ్బాయి.
అబ్బాయి ఏంది అడిగాడు. ఎస్, నేను కూడా అడుగుతాను. ఇఫ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఇన్ ద పొజిషన్ ఆఫ్ అబ్బాయి ప్లేస్లో నేనున్నా కానీ అడుగుతాను. ఏంటి సార్, నేను 4 years నుండి వర్క్ చేస్తున్నాను, వై ఐఎమ్ గెటింగ్ 5 lakhs, వై షీ గెటింగ్ 6.6 lakh ప్యాకేజ్? షీ కొత్తగా వచ్చింది, ఆమెకు రియల్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ ఉందో లేదో తెలియదు, ఏమీ తెలియదు, ఆమెకు ఉందో లేదో కూడా తెలియదు. సో వై యూ ఆర్ ఆఫరింగ్ 6.6 అని నేను అడుగుతాను.
హైరింగ్ మేనేజర్.
ఇప్పుడు తప్పు ఎవరు చేశారు? ఈ ముగ్గురిట్లో తప్పు ఎవరు చేశారు?
అమ్మాయి తప్పు చేసింది, అంటే ఫేక్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్
పెట్టింది. ఆ అమ్మాయిది ఏంది తప్పు? పెట్టుకుంది, జాబ్ వచ్చింది, ఓకే. నో నో,
ఆయన చేసిన అతను గుర్తుపట్టలేకపోయాడు ఆయన.
కాదు, ఇక్కడ తప్పు చేసింది అమ్మాయి. ఏంటంటే దట్ ఈస్ ద కాన్ఫిడెన్షియల్ ఇష్యూ. No need to share with others. That is the confidential. In the area of software testing, nearly 80 to 90% people fake. Okay, that is the confidential. No need to share with others. So, but the share అంటే అమ్మాయి వేరే వాళ్ళకి చెప్పాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు, స్కిప్ చేయాలి ఆ సిచ్యువేషన్. కానీ అమ్మాయి చెప్పింది అనమాట. సో షీ లాస్ట్ జాబ్ అనమాట. అంటే ఏంటి, ఆ అమ్మాయికి సబ్జెక్ట్ ఉంది, కమ్యూనికేషన్ ఉంది, కాన్ఫిడెన్స్ ఉంది, డైనమిజం లేదు. డైనమిజం ఏంటంటే బేస్ ఆన్ ద సిచ్యుయేషన్ డైనమికల్ వి షుడ్ చేంజ్, దట్ ఈస్ డైనమిజం. సో షీ డోంట్ హ్యావ్ డైనమిజం, షీ లాస్ట్ జాబ్. సో ఇది రియల్ కేస్ అనమాట, రియల్ కేస్. సో అంటే ఏంటంటే ఇన్ ద ఏరియా ఆఫ్ సాఫ్ట్వేర్ టెస్టింగ్ ఆర్ సాఫ్ట్వేర్ కంపెనీ, సో ఒక 10 సంవత్సరాలు వర్క్ చేసినా కానీ హాయ్ బాస్, బాయ్ బాస్, హాయ్, గుడ్ మార్నింగ్, గుడ్ ఈవినింగ్, గుడ్ ఆఫ్టర్నూన్, ఈ వర్డ్స్ యూజ్ చేస్తారు. 10 సంవత్సరాలు పక్క క్యాబిన్లో ఉన్నా కానీ హాయ్, గుడ్ మార్నింగ్, హౌ యూ, హాయ్, బాయ్, ఇంతే ఈ టర్మ్స్ యూజ్ చేస్తారు సాఫ్ట్వేర్ కంపెనీలో. అంతకంటే ఎక్కువ షేర్ చేసుకోరు. దట్ ఈస్ ద కాన్ఫిడెన్షియల్ ఇష్యూస్ విల్ బి దేర్ ఇన్ ద సాఫ్ట్వేర్ కంపెనీ. నో నీడ్ టు షేర్ విత్ అదర్స్. So what exactly we require to get a job? Stuff, communication, confidence, dynamism. If you maintain these 4 things, we can get job anywhere in the world, right? Next, wherever you go, there are 2 types of companies. Wherever you go, there are 2 types of companies. One is project-based company, other one is product-based company. One is project-based company, other one is product-based company. Wherever you go, there are 2 types of companies. One is project-based company, other one is product-based company. So now tell me, what do you mean by project? What do you mean by product? Kavya madam, you should tell. You are IT background student too. Compulsory you should tell. What do you mean by project? What do you mean by product? Wherever you go, not only in India, wherever you go, there are 2 types of companies only. One is project-based company, other one is product-based company. One is project-based company, other one is product-based company. Now tell me, what do you mean by project? What do you mean by product? Kavya madam, you should tell, compulsory.
Project is something developed by taking customer requirements. Product is nothing but taking requirements by company.
Yes, you are right. So for example, Murali sir got job in USA. So He want to give the party to other friends. For example, what is project? What do you mean by product? I will tell you with a small example. With a small example, silly example, simple example. Right. Finally, Murali sir got job in USA with good package in good company. So his friends are asking treat party అడుగుతున్నారు. So you want to give the treat in your home అన్నమాట. సార్ వాళ్ళ ఇంట్లోనే పార్టీ ఇవ్వాలనుకుంటున్నారు. So he inquired, sir inquired, which is the best sweet house in US. Finally, he got information. Akhil Reddy Sweet House is famous for sweets in USA. Akhil Reddy Sweet House is famous for sweets in USA. So first of all, he will go to Akhil Reddy Sweet House and he will tell requirements. Sir, I want 100 laddus. Each and every laddu should be egg size. Each and every laddu should be light sugar. Each and every laddu should be light brownish. Light brownish. He's saying 4 requirements. So he want 100 laddus, each and every laddu should be egg size, each and every laddu should be light sugar, each and every laddu should be light brownish. Based on sir requirements, if they prepare, that Akhil Reddy Sweet House people, if they prepare laddu, that is called project. Project is something that is developed based on the particular customer requirements and used by that particular customer only. If it is laddu is egg size, I hate. If it is laddu is egg size, I hate. I need big size laddus. So that's my requirement. Sir requirement is he want 100 laddus, each and every laddu should be egg size, each and every laddu should be light sugar, each and every laddu should be light brownish. Based on sir requirements, if they prepare laddu, that is called project. Project is something that is developed based on the particular customer requirements and used by that particular customer only. That is called project. Next, whenever he going to Akhil Reddy Sweet House, already they prepared some laddus like small size laddus, medium size laddus, big size laddus. This is called product. Product is something that is developed based on the company specification and used by multiple people people. That is called product. Our paste is a product, our soap is a product, our laptop is a product, our pen is a product, our notebook is a product, our computer is a product, our keyboard is a product, our mouse is a product, our toothpaste is a product. All are products. Based on their requirement, they're developed, they're introduced into market. If you are interested, you can buy and use it. So that is called product. There are 2 types of companies. One is project-based company, other one is product-based company. Project-based company, best example, Infosys. Product-based company, best example, Microsoft. For example, now tell me, in Amirpet, in the 10th floor apartment, I'm buying a 801 flat. Is it project or product?
Product.
Product.
Product. Already they developed. Just I'm buying only one ఏంటి ఒక flat తీసుకుంటున్నాను. So that is called product. So in the Amirpet only, in the individual space, I'm buying individual space లో నేను ఒక ఇల్లు కట్టుకుంటున్నాను. So అది
Project.
project అవుద్ది. So based on my requirement, based on my interest, I can construct the duplex house. That is called project. There are 2 types of companies. There are project based company, second one is product based company. So project means based on the customer requirements, we will develop that project. That is project based companies. Product based companies means based on company requirements, they will develop, they will introduce into market. That is called product based company. Now tell me, Tirupati Laddu, project or product?
Product.
తిరుపతి లడ్డు
Product.
ప్రోడక్ట్ ఓన్లీ. తిరుపతి లడ్డు ఈజ్ ప్రోడక్ట్. నేను చిన్నప్పుడు వెళ్ళాను, అప్పుడు అదేంటి లడ్డు సైజ్ ఈ రేంజ్లో ఉండేది. నేను మళ్ళీ 10th అయిపోయిన తర్వాత వెళ్ళాను, కొంచెం తగ్గింది. మళ్ళీ రీసెంట్గా జస్ట్ ఒక 2 months బ్యాక్ వెళ్ళాను, ఇంత అయింది. సో వాళ్ళ రిక్వైర్మెంట్స్ని బేస్ చేసుకొని వాళ్ళు డెవలప్ చేస్తారనమాట. అంటే వాళ్ళకి ఇష్టం వచ్చిన విధంగా డెవలప్ చేస్తారు. సో అదేంటి ప్రోడక్ట్ అనమాట. ప్రోడక్ట్ అంటే వాళ్ళ రిక్వైర్మెంట్స్ని బేస్ చేసుకొని వాళ్ళు డెవలప్ చేస్తారు కాబట్టి దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ ప్రోడక్ట్. ఆల్ రైట్. నౌ సేమ్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, వాట్ డూ మీన్ బై క్వాలిటీ, వాట్ డూ మీన్ బై డిఫెక్ట్? వాట్ డూ మీన్ బై క్వాలిటీ, వాట్ డూ మీన్ బై డిఫెక్ట్? క్వాలిటీ అంటే ఏంటి? సేమ్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, నేను చెప్పిన ఎగ్జాంపుల్లో క్వాలిటీ అంటే ఏంటి, డిఫెక్ట్ అంటే ఏంటి? డిఫెక్ట్ అంటే ఏంటి, క్వాలిటీ అంటే ఏంటి?
quality.
నేను చెప్పిన ఎగ్జాంపుల్లోనే క్వాలిటీ అంటే ఏంటి, డిఫెక్ట్ అంటే ఏంటి? Quality is nothing but
For me,
justification of the particular customer requirements. Customer said he want 100 laddus, each and every laddu should be X size, each and every laddu should be light brownish, each and every laddu should be light sugar. Based on customer requirements, if they prepare laddu, that is called quality. Quality is nothing but justification of the particular customer requirement. If you justify all the customer requirements, that is called quality. That is called quality. Quality is nothing but
quality.
justification of the particular customer requirements. Defect is nothing but deviation from the particular customer requirement. ఏ ఒక్క రిక్వైర్మెంట్ సాటిస్ఫై అవ్వకపోయినా కానీ దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ డిఫెక్ట్. డిఫెక్ట్ ఈజ్ నథింగ్ బట్ డీవియేషన్ ఫ్రమ్ ద పర్టికులర్ కస్టమర్ రిక్వైర్మెంట్. If it is any requirement deviated, that is called a defect. Customer said 100 laddus, but they developed only 90 laddus. So that is called defect. Defect is nothing but deviation from the particular customer requirements. If it is any requirement deviated, that is called defect. That is called defect, right?
Different.
So, for example, ICICI Bank people want one software. For example, ICICI Bank people want one software. They inquired which is the best software company for developing the software. Finally, they got information Infosys is the best. So first of all, they will go to Infosys and they will tell all the requirements. They will tell all the requirements. First, they will go to Infosys and they will tell all the requirements. After telling the requirement, they will analyze. Based on the customer requirement, this project is possible or not, they will analyze. So, if they feel they are saying requirement is they want one software, that software they want to implement in 150 branches in Hyderabad city. They want one software, that software they want to implement in 150 branches in Hyderabad city. So based on the customer requirement, they will give one estimation. So if they feel yes, is it possible అనుకుంటేనే ఒక ఎస్టిమేషన్ ఇస్తారు. They will give one estimation. If that estimation, if they feel reasonable, ఇద్దరు ICICI people and Infosys people, if they feel reasonable, they will write one official agreement. They will write one official agreement. They will write one official agreement. That official agreement in software company we will call as official agreement. This official agreement in software company we will call bidding the project. Bidding the project or signed off. Bidding the project or signed off. Bidding the project or signed off. So ICICI Bank people want one software. They inquired which is the best software company for developing the software. Finally, they got information. Infosys is the best. First of all, they will go to Infosys and they will tell the requirements. Based on the requirement, they will analyze is it possible or not. If they feel yes, it is possible, then they will give one estimation. Estimation is like 3 months time and 3 crore rupees. 3 months time and 3 crore rupees. 3 months time and 3 crore rupees. If they feel reasonable, they will write official agreement. This official agreement in software company we will call bidding the project or signed off. Bidding the project or signed off.
Kind
After
of.
this official agreement, each and every software company they will conduct one meeting. That meeting name is kick-off meeting. After official agreement, each and every software company they will conduct one meeting. That meeting name is kickoff meeting. Kickoff meeting is nothing but this is the first meeting or initial meeting conducted in the software company soon after the project is signed off. In this meeting, high-level management people will be participate, like team managers, so team leads, so quality leads, so high-level management people will be participate. So why they are conducting this meeting? So and so customer came to company already. They gave requirement. Based on the requirement, already we gave one estimation like 3 months time and 3 crore rupees. If it is any required, compulsory your cooperation is required. That's the reason they are intimating the information to all the high level authorities. That's the reason they are conducting one meeting. That meeting is kickoff meeting. Kickoff meeting is nothing but this is the first meeting or initial meeting conducted in the software company soon after the project is signed off. In this meeting, high level management people will be participate, like quality managers, team leads, quality leads. High level management people will be participate in this meeting, and in this meeting only they will select one project manager for this particular project. They will select one project manager for this particular project. So they will conduct one meeting. That meeting name is kickoff meeting. In this meeting only they will select project manager for this project. After selecting this project manager, he will prepare one mail and he will send it to CEO of software company. Sir, this is Akhil Reddy. Yesterday we conducted kickoff meeting. I got selected as a project manager. Please give the permission to start this particular project. So he will prepare one mail and he will send it to CEO of software company. That is called PIN. PIN means project initiation. Project initiation note. It is a note prepared by project manager and sent to CEO of software company in order to get the permission to start this particular project. ఈ పర్టికులర్ ప్రాజెక్ట్ స్టార్ట్ చేయడానికి పర్మిషన్ కోసం ఒక మెయిల్ ప్రిపేర్ చేస్తారు. దాన్ని పిఐఎన్ అంటారు. పిఐఎన్ మీన్స్ ప్రాజెక్ట్ ఇనిషియేషన్ నోట్. ఇట్ ఈస్ ఎ నోట్ prepared by project manager and sent to CEO of software company in order to get the permission to start this particular project. After getting the project, we can start the project. That is the process. After getting the permission, we can start the project. We need to get the permission from company CEO. After getting the permission, we can start the project. So in testing, first concept to SDLC we will discuss tomorrow. SDLC, software development life cycle, first concept in testing, that is SDLC. Right. Sir, any doubts, sir?